Welcome to the deep dive. Ever find yourself wishing you could just, pick up your game exactly where you stopped, seamlessly, like moving from your Xbox to your PC, or maybe even a handheld? Well, today we're diving into how Microsoft seems to be really leaning into that, making portable gaming a much bigger reality for Xbox Cloud gaming, our mission. Let's unpack these updates, figure out what they mean for you and your games, and maybe touch on some surprising possibilities. We're using the latest insights from The Verge here, so let's get started. What's the core news driving all this?
Well, the big headline is that Microsoft's actively testing some pretty significant updates. We're talking both the Xbox PC app and the actual Xbox consoles.
Okay, not just minor tweaks then.
No, it definitely feels more foundational, like they're building towards a much more integrated ecosystem.
Interesting. And I read the really eye-catching part is that cloud games will soon follow you across devices. How exactly is that working? What's the immediate upside for, the average gamer?
Yeah, that's the core of it. What's really fascinating is this new Play History section. You'll see it in the Xbox PC app and also right on the Xbox console dashboard.
Yeah.
And this list, it isn't just local to that one device, it roams. So any cloud game you played recently, it shows up consistently. Xbox, PC, Windows handhelds. It tracks your activity across all of them.
Ah, so it remembers wherever you played last. And what kind of games are we talking about here? Is it just stuff you own or is it broader?
That's where it gets really significant. Lily Wang, she's the product manager for Xbox Experiences. She explained it. It includes, and this is the quote, all cloud playable titles.
All of them.
Yeah, even console exclusives, original Xbox right up to Series XS.
Hmm.
And it doesn't matter if you own it outright or if you're just playing it through Game Pass.
Wow. Okay, so it's really about access then, not just ownership on one platform.
Exactly. It feels very much like a strategic push for universal accessibility through the cloud.
And it's not just seeing the list, right? The game saves are cloud-powered too. So imagine playing, say, an Xbox exclusive on your console. What happens when you look at your PC?
Right, so that console game, even if there's no native PC version, it'll still pop up in your recent games list on your Windows PC
And you can just click and play.
instantly.
Yeah.
You pick it up right where you left off, streaming via Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a huge convenience, obviously, but it feels like more.
Yeah.
Like Microsoft is positioning cloud gaming as this universal bridge, maybe making the actual hardware you own a bit less central.
That does sound incredibly useful. So, practically speaking, how will this actually look inside the Xbox PC app? What changes will you see?
Okay, so in the PC app, you'll find a new filter. It's in the library section, specifically for cloud playable games. Makes them easier to spot.
Gotcha.
And there's also that play history section we mentioned. It's at the end of the jump back in list on the home screen. And it clearly shows if you played it on this device or if you played it across any Xbox device via the cloud.
Okay, so clearer organization. Now, thinking bigger picture. This same play history is also showing up on the Xbox console dashboard itself.
That's right. It's becoming uniform across the board.
Does that maybe hint, could we eventually see PC games listed on the console dashboard? Maybe playable through cloud gaming. We know they use Series X chips in their cloud servers.
Well, that's the really provocative thought, isn't it? And it's not pure speculation. Remember those internal emails from the FTC versus Microsoft case?
Oh, yeah, the ones that became public?
Exactly. Those revealed Microsoft has actually been looking into streaming PC games over the cloud, seriously investigating it.
Right.
With Xbox and PC clearly merging closer for whatever comes next gen, it feels, well, highly anticipated that cloud gaming will support PC titles soon, probably with, better byte rates, higher resolutions too.
So imagine starting a PC game on your desktop.
Yeah, like a complex strategy game, and then just switching to your tablet on the sofa, streaming that exact PC version. That future feels much closer now. The line between console and PC gaming, especially via the cloud, it just gets blurrier and blurrier for you.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for you, the listener? It definitely seems Microsoft is pushing hard for this seamless play-anywhere experience, all powered by the cloud.
Yeah, it boils down to convenience and access, really. Unprecedented levels of it.
The promise of picking up basically any game on any compatible screen right where you stopped.
Yeah.
That's moving from sci-fi to actual reality pretty fast.
It really is. And it leaves you with a pretty interesting question to think about, doesn't it? As cloud gaming keeps evolving and PC and console games blend together more, how might that change the way you build your game library?
Or even how you choose your next gaming device. Definitely something to mull over.
Food for thought until our next deep dive.